friends are here. They are ready to swim and play. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's look at this blue box. That is the Sesame Street Floating Fun Friends Beach Child set. Can you guess who these buddies are? Looking from left to right, we have our Cookie Monster. He's holding a tiny yellow pocket and a little silver. So cute! Right in the middle is Elmo. It looks like he's going to play volleyball today. And the last one is my favorite, Abby with a yummy vanilla ice cream. Let's open this plastic box and jump right into the fun. Oh wow, it's pretty sturdy. Pull! Yay! Our three little friends have puffed out. Which one do you want me to take out first? Let's pick Abby first. Look at her! She has pretty pinky purple fur and she's holding an ice cream. And she has a cute blue dress on. She even has tiny butterfly wings on her back. So adorable! Swish, swish, swish! I'm squeezing Abby gently with my hands. Oh, she is super soft! Next up is Elmo. Elmo is holding a beach ball with orange and yellow stripes. Look at Elmo's silly round eyes and his big orange nose. Let's give his beach ball a little swish. Wow! It's so swishy! Turn him around! Look at his cute fluffy back. Let's wiggle with Elmo and get ready to splash into the water, little friends. The last friend of our trio is here. Welcome, silly Cookie Monster. Look, he's holding a yellow pocket and a green shovel. Ready to build a sand castle. How cute is that? Let's give him a swish. Are you ready to jump into the pool with Cookie? Let's go! Cookie Monster, Elmo, and Abby are all ready. But now, we need to get water. A big bowl of clean water is ready for us to play. Let's drop them into the water one by one. First, push Elmo down into the water. I bet he can squirt water too. Let's squeeze Elmo gently under the water to fill up his belly and squirt it out. Pew pew pew! That is so much fun! Elmo squirted water all over Cookie and Abby. Oh my silly Elmo! It's Cookie Monster's turn. Let's fill him up with water and squirt it far away. Wow! Look at the water go! So cool! Be careful with Cookie Monster, kids. Don't splash water on the floor, or Mommy might be angry. My girl Abby Cadabby wants to try too. Let's get lots of water inside her. Are you ready, kids? Fire! Squirt lots of water to get back at Elmo and Cookie. That's what you get for teasing Abby. I guess playing with this in the bathtub would be the best thing ever, right, kids? Alright, our friends are swimming, so we will move on to our next exciting toy set. Look over here! This is the Neighborhood Friends figure set with 5 super fun buddies. And guess what? Everyone has different jobs. Look at this green sign. Can you guess what jobs they do? That's right, a singer, a chef, a student, a ballet dancer, and a firefighter. Let's open the box. Ta-da! All 5 super cute friends are out now. Look how amazing they are. Let's start with our pretty friend Zoe. Zoe is wearing a fluffy pink pilot dress. Look at the shiny gold star on her dress. She even has a purple pearl necklace on the back. Zoe looks just like a little princess. Let me do a pilot dance for you. Wiggle, wiggle and twirl. Look at my pretty pink dress spin. Am I doing a great job, kids? Next up is our big friend, Big Bird. Look at him. Can you guess whose Big Bird is today? You got it. He is a school rock star. He is holding a bright blue guitar and wearing a handsome black t-shirt. As you can see, this plastic figure is so strong and sturdy. With this amazing look, I bet Big Bird is ready to play a rock and roll song for us. Let's dance, everyone! Aha! Guess who is here again? It's Elmo! Did you guys miss Elmo? This time, Elmo is wearing a cute little blue backpack on his back. He's holding his books and waving hello to us. Hi, Elmo! He looks so happy going to school. Do you guys love going to school too? Let me know in the comments to share with everyone. And finally, we can't forget our brave firefighter. Today, Grover is a brave firefighter. Look, he's wearing a bright red helmet with the numbers 1 to 3, and his yellow pants look so cool. To keep his blue fur safe from the hot heat, he definitely needs his helmet. And don't forget your boots, Grover. We always stay safe. Uh-oh, sounds like someone needs help. Firefighter Grover gotta go. Last but not least, it's Master Chef Cookie Monster. Take a look. He's wearing a puffy white chef hat and a cute apron. He has a bowl of yummy chocolate chip cookie dough in one hand and a whisk in the other. He looks so busy. This cookie dough is ready to go right into the oven. But first, let's turn him around to check. Remember to tie your apron nice and tight, friends, or it might slip right off. Today, we got to meet so many wonderful Sesame Street friends with so many cool jobs. Who did you like the most? Come watch our next video so we can play together. Bye bye, sweet friends.